The following footage was recorded by our welding expert and senior welding educator, Juha Kauhanen, Tatu Hirvonen, and welding champion Ville-Pekka Arasmo. In this setup, we used Cavitar's plug-and-play Schlieren imaging solution, illuminated by our CAVILUX lasers, and using a Photron Nova high-speed camera at 2000 frames per second. Today, we look at a stainless steel pipe at 48 mm in diameter and just 2 mm thick, filled with argon gas, and then cut with a grinder. At the outset, we're observing the argon gas filling the stainless steel pipe. It's like watching a slow-motion symphony as the gas steadily occupies the space. The grinder nearby is now generating heat, and you can see the warm air approaching the entrance of the pipe. It's a bit like a gentle breeze on a quiet day. As time passes, the grinder's airflow starts entering the pipe. Think of it as the moment you start pouring water into a glass. Now things get more interesting as the grinder's pressure pushes the air inside the pipe. The once calm pipe becomes a hub of activity as oxygen mixes with argon, disrupting the flow in varying directions and creating different patterns. The grinder's impact within the pipe marks a turning point. It's like a drum roll before a grand show. Inside, the gases start swirling and twirling. Suddenly, small particles begin to shoot off from the pipe and the grinder. Now, the real action begins. Particles and gases collide, creating a captivating and ever-changing display of movement and light. Much like a typhoon carrying the helpless particles in all directions of the pipe. As the grinder is lifted off, things start calming down. The pipe begins refilling with argon gas, and the particles gently settle to the bottom, like an encore after an exhilarating performance. The stainless steel pipe, now filled with serene argon gas, represents the scene behind this fascinating display. Our number one priority is solving your imaging problems, and we are here to support your research. To know more about our products, please visit our website, cavitar.com. Designed, engineered, and manufactured in Finland.